watching Delhi Model Television. It's me, Meher. Today's headline: Delhi Model English School is conducting English First. It's going on right now. Tomorrow there will be a parents meeting at Delhi Model English School. Here are some main headlines. P.T. Usha, the Indian Olympic Association president, raised the demand after the union budgets kept awarding the institute to Kerala. Olympian and Rajya Sabha MP P.T. Usha raised Kerala's long-standing demand for an all-Indian institute to medical science (AIIMS) in the upper house of Parliament on Tuesday. She told the House that Kerala deserved an AIIMS and called for the central government to establish the institute in Kinalur, Calicut. The state needs the institute to provide the most advanced and comprehensive healthcare for its people. Kerala gives top priority to establish AIIMS in Calicut, Kinalur. Most of the land required for the project is government-owned, so no additional funds will be needed to acquire land. The state has also identified land for future development of the institute, said P.T. Usha. The AIIMS project required 200 acres of land. Kerala has already acquired over 150 acres. I have also surrounded 5 acres of the land from Usha School for the project. The government plans to acquire an additional 100 acres from private parties. Kinalur is located in a key part of Malabar, making it easily accessible to people from Nilgiri, Coimbatore, Mysore, Coorg, and other parts of Malabar. It is only 23 kilometers from the national highway. I requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to make the necessary innovation to bring AIIMS to Kerala. Its reporter Meher is from